Alright, this is a little bit of an interesting video. So today I broke my earbuds, and then I decided I'm going to make some AirPods, and I'm going to show you how. Now, you might think that it's just as simple as cutting off the wire with a pair of scissors. Well, if you thought that, then you're exactly right. It's as simple as cutting the wires off with scissors. So I'm going to be doing that to make a second pair of AirPods. After you've done that, just clear up the ends a little bit. Once you've done that, you're basically done. I now have 2 pairs of AirPods. How about that?